I'm Dr. Jemima White, and I'm a stem cell scientist here at the Roslin Institute. So to introduce the subject I'm going to talk to you about today, because we're out in the lovely Edinburgh countryside, why don't we take a moment and see if we can hear any birdsong. The sad thing is that you may struggle to hear anything, and this is because the number of bird species in the UK has been dramatically declining to the extent where 1 in 5 bird species are considered critically endangered, and once common birds such as the house sparrow and the starling are now rare sightings. So we need to act now in order to conserve these bird species before they are lost forever. And what can we do? Well, we can work on conserving the habitat as well as developing new methods for species conservation. And here at Roslin, we are working on developing one such method. So why don't you come inside, I can show you the building and I can tell you more about this exciting project. So because I work at Roslin, it all starts with chickens. So there are a number of rare chicken breeds in the UK. This is an example of a silky chicken, and this is an example of a naked neck chicken. There are also a number of commercially valuable inbred strains of chickens. So what we're trying to do at Roslin is we're trying to create a stem cell biobank to protect these endangered poultry breeds. And how we do that is we take a special type of stem cell called a primordial germ cell, and these are the type of stem cells that can give rise to sperm and eggs. We can isolate them from the blood of chicken embryos, and we can transfer these cells in culture, where we can expand and optimize the best conditions for them to grow. And once we have sufficient numbers of these cells, we can bank these cells down into a freezer to protect these endangered chicken breeds. And if we can do this for chickens, there's no reason that we can't expand our frozen chicken coop to create a frozen aviary to conserve the wild bird species like the house sparrow and the starling, before we are faced with a spring without birdsong.